Passage number 28. Petitioner and others who are serving employees of inter-services intelligence and belong to surveillance cadre being aggrieved of their promotion policy to next scale had filed a constitution petition before the learned Islamabad High Court full stop. At the time of hearing of the petition, the respondent number 3 raised a preliminary objection with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition, upon which the learned single bench in chamber, after hearing the parties, dismissed the writ petition by observing that the petitioners are civil servants and the High Court has no jurisdiction to entertain the said petition, and that the proper forum for the matters in relation to terms and conditions of the civil servant is Federal Service Tribunal full stop. The intra-court appeal filed by the petitioners also met the same fate full stop. Hence this petition full stop. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and have perused the impugned judgments full stop. Admittedly, the petitioner is enjoying the status of civil servant in terms of section B of the Civil Servants Act 1973 full stop. His appointment letter has also been issued under the said act, and the proper forum for redressal of his grievance was Federal Service Tribunal full stop. The tribunal is functional, and the petitioner, if so advised, can approach the said forum for redressal of his grievance full stop. In these circumstances, the impugned judgments are unexceptionable full stop. The petition is dismissed and leave refused full stop. During the hearing of civil petition number 2124 2013, this court had taken note of the fact that specific posts under the Constitution and under various status are pending and still have not been filled up full stop. A concise statement in this behalf, bearing CMA number 109 of 2014, has been filed by the federal government, wherein steps have been outlined for the appointment of various constitutional posts and problems of the government is facing in such appointments full stop. Learned Attorney General for Pakistan has submitted that as there was no specific prayer made in the said concise statement, another CMA bearing number 4821 of 2014 has been filed full stop. He submitted that the federal government is facing difficulties in appointments to such officers in view of the direction given by this court in paras 26 and 27 of the judgment reported as Khwaja Asif versus Federation of Pakistan 2003 SCMR 1204, that in the said judgment a procedure has been prescribed for appointments to certain offices in statutory bodies, autonomous bodies, semi-autonomous bodies, regulatory bodies, etc., to be processed through a commission, that some of these offices are created by states providing their own procedure for appointment, and therefore some anomalies would arise in case the appointments are made in accordance with the directions given in Khwaja Asif Supra judgment, and the business of the federal government is suffering full stop. He further added that since assumption of office by the Prime Minister and the federal cabinet, the federal government has sincerely tried to fully comply with the above said judgment regarding the proposed commission, and initially certain public sector organizations were included in the schedule of posts under the purview of the commission, but despite the sincere endeavors, there are administrative issues that are creating hurdles, full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shahadra.